Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with May's zine for the Zine Craz Kollab with Tina, which is of Tellhimthanku. And I will have the ladies that are participating in the description box below. And what we're doing is Tina came up with the collab because she loves zines, and to see if we could make one each month. We don't have to send them in unless we wanted to do a swap with her, which I am doing a swap with her. But we're not required to do that. We just make a zine on anything we want. We have full free creativity, and we will post them always on the first Thursday of the month. So check back with us all the way through the end of the year to check out what each one of us create. So having said that, this month I was trying to think of what I want to do, and I was trying to kill some paper. So I put up my graphic Parisian collection. I had the 25-page sheets, and for whatever reason I was in the mood for fussy cutting, so I fussy cut out these images. And I just used some blue cardstock and the yellow paper in the background is from my Jelly Bean 180-pound pad of paper, and just a whole bunch of stuff I just glued up there and popped out them up, and I edged everything with a silver pen and glittered everything up with my Spectrum Noir. So this is how it looks open, and then I'm going to show you it closed. So, and I kept it very simple. And this is page 1. Again, popped up, trimmed with the silver, and everything is fussy cut out, and glossy accents on the umbrella, little sequins there, some trim on the side, glossy on the flower there. Very simple, and there's a piece of dessert in the background as well. Then here, some trim, if you can see that. And I think I got that years ago from the Dollar Tree. And that's her fussy cut out, and I made all the silverware for the tea and the rose glossy accent, and trimmed her in silver. Glossy accent, not glossy accent, I'm sorry. Winkastella, the shimmer pen, not glossy accents, I'm sorry, shimmer pen. That's what I've been trying to say. Some trim, this is popped up. Again, put some of that there, the Winkastella or Spectrum Noir, whatever you want to call it. And little sticker there from the Dollar Tree, some little faux epoxies from the Dollar Tree. And again, her butterflies and her umbrella, they have the Winkastella and the cupcake. And again, everything was just fussy cut, and that has all the little desserts have that glitter on it as well, and some more trim in the background. Very simple. And I just went around at the edges with a black pen. My version of doodling, I guess. There's some gold trim, gold yarn. Oh God, that's where I cannot talk. Gold string thread in the background. Oh my gosh, I need to go to bed. And then these epoxies right there from the Dollar Tree, and some sequins, 2 different shades of sequins, darker ones on this side and lighter ones on that side. And just cut out that little seam and put that together. And then on the back, some red fun fur, and some macaroons, and the lady, and cut her out, and her collars have some Winkastella on the rose and the dessert. So anyway, that is it for my zine. And then I forgot, I was going to do this last night. I said, oh, I forgot. I got to go run to the store and go to Office Max and get it printed out. So this is the printed version of it. Of course, it has the trim. They claimed that they couldn't change the settings because the paper that I use is not 8.5 by 11. I'm like, seriously? Yes, it is. It's the pad of paper is that correct size. It's the same size as this piece of paper. But anyway, so he claims that's why it has the white. But anyway, so that's the front of that. And open it up. And that's how that looks. So this is the copy version. I just really wish, I love the papers on. This is glossy magazine. He wanted to put it like on 100 cardstock. I really don't want it that thick because then it folds, it kind of tears, get wrinkles. So I like it on this thing. I think this is 80. But anyway, so that's how it looked. A little lighter blue than my actual. But I like it. So anyway, that is my zine for the month. Hope you like it. And thanks for watching, liking, and subscribe. And hopefully you'll be inspired to make a zine as well. All right, take care. God bless. And check out the ladies below. Thank you. Bye-bye.